Hello, boys and girls. Do you know what time it is? It's brain exercise time. We are going to remember the sounds that we learned in the previous lessons, and we're going to make new words. Let's start at Letterland and go from there.
Letterland, Letterland, there could be no better land for meeting a duck, a man with a hat, an orange or two, and a clever old cat. So let's go to Letterland, Letterland, Letterland. Walter Walrus Wetterland meets slithering Sam, a king who can kick, a quarrelsome queen, or make noisy Nick. So let's go to Letterland. Let's go to Letterland today.
Ooh, I wonder what the trains in Letterland look like. They must be so beautiful and colorful, just like this picture of a train. Let us put our finger on the letter that makes the sound T. That's correct. This yummy yogurt begins with a Y. And the letter that makes the sound Y is right there. Let us put our finger there. Y. And what is this picture of? This is a volcano, and the word volcano starts with what sound? V for volcano. Very nice. Our last sound was W for whistle. And Teacher Letty also did an activity with you, and I said we need to practice how to do what? How to whistle. If you don't know how to whistle with your lips, like me, I just do it so softly, like you can use a whistle, and you can blow it and it can make the sound. Now let us go and put the sounds together to make words so we can read them. We are going to put on our thinking hat and read the following word. You already know it. Very nice. Finger on the green dot by the H sound. H, at, hat. Again. H, at, hat. Let us read together with no picture. At, hat. At, hat. We're getting so good at this. Let's read the next word. Put your finger on the green dot by the T sound. T, a, p, tap. T, a, p, tap. You heard it. This is a tap. Our next word, finger on the green dot by the N sound. Let's read N, et, net. N, et, net. Let us go and find out if we read the word correctly. Yes, it's correct. This word is net. For our next word, let us put our finger on the green dot by the sound V. V. A, n, van. One more time. V. A, n, van. This is a van, and we can read the word van. Well done. Our last word, we are going to put our finger on the green dot by the W sound. W, e, b, web. W, Web. This is a web. Very nice. And which animal makes a web and even lives on the web? Yes, it's a spider. So this is why they call it a spider web. You're so smart. I'm so impressed. And just like that, we have read 5 words. We are getting so good at reading. Oh, I am super, super proud of you. And you can also read for your parents so that they can see how smart you are. Well done. High five. High five. Thank you so much. And that is all for this lesson. Goodbye.